Hello friends, my name is Sanket Marathe and today we are discussing about Swachh Bharat Mission. So first we discuss the introduction about the Swachh Bharat Mission. That means SBM. So the Swachh Bharat Mission launched on October 2, 2014 by the Prime Minister, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Is native-aided cleanness. It's native-aided cleanness open defections free by 2nd October 2019. They are the 150th birthday anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. And so what are the objectives for the Swachh Bharat mission? So what we can do? So first we eliminate open defections, then to eradicates manual scavenging, to monitoring municipal solid waste management practices, then to bring about the behavior changes regarding health and sanitation practices, to create awareness about the sanitations and its linkage with the public health. So what are the components of the Swachh Bharat mission? So first we are construct to the toilets, both individuals or community. Okay, then solid waste management, including the segregations of waste at source, then awareness campaign to promote cleanliness and hygiene, then eliminations of open defections, and through the construction of household and community toilets, rural and urban sanitization programs. Then what are the implementation strategy about that? So financial incentives for costing toilets under the various schemes. So involvement of various stakeholders, including government agencies, that means NGOs or corporate entities and citizens. So use of technology for monitoring and emulations of the progress. Emphasis on behavioral changes through the community and participation and awareness campaigns. So what we can achieve from this? What are the achievements from the Swachh Bharat missions? So constructions of millions of toilets across rural and urban areas, then significant reductions in open defections rates, then improvement in cleanliness and waste management practices in many areas, then increase awareness about sanitations and hygienes, then recognition by the international organizations for its efforts and achievements. Then what are the impact of the Swachh Bharat missions? So they improve our public health outcomes due to better sanitation facilities, then reductions of waterborne disease and illness related of poor sanitations, enhance dignity and safety, especially for the women and girls. Then economic benefits to improve productivity and tourism promotions, environmental benefits for better waste management and practices. So we discuss about what are the challenges faced by the Swachh Bharat mission. So there are some behavioral precedents of using toilets, particularly in the rural areas, the lack of proper waste management infrastructures in many regions, then adequate maintenance and sustainability of constructed toilets, then funding construction for sustaining the momentum of the missions. So monitoring and ensuring the quality of constructions. So what are the future prospect of sustainability? So continue focus on sustaining of gains achieved so far. So strengthening of waste management system and practices, enhances of maintaining cleanliness through the community involvements, and leveraging technology for better monitoring and regulations, and integrations of sanitations with other development programs for the hostel progress. So what are the international recognition about that? So the Swachh Bharat mission has gained attentions by the appreciations globally for its ambitious goals and significant achievements. So India efforts in sanitations on cleanliness have been uh, praised by international organizations such as United Nations. Then the mission has served as a model for the other countries facing similar challenges in the sanitations and public health. So all this information about the Swachh Bharat mission. So thank you.